So this problem is actually probably a good problem to have. In this situation, a lottery winner has three options to take their lottery winnings. Option 1, take 12 million 5 years from now. Option 2, 2.25 million at the end of each year for 5 years, or take 10 million 3 years from now. So what we're doing here is crunching the numbers to see which option would be the most beneficial in terms of providing the winner of the lottery with the most money. So what you're going to be doing here is looking at the time value of money. So you can use either your calculator to do the present value calculations, or you can use the tables that are provided in the chapter. So the solution shows it both ways. So here, what you want to do for the first one is what is the present value right now if I wait the 5 years to get the $12 million. So here you're looking at, you're given your present value factor, so you've got an interest rate of 8% and the number of periods is 5 years. So you look for the factor in your table for that, 0.681 times your 12 million. So if you had the 12 million now, or what you could, or way of looking at it is, if you had the 8.172 million now, if it was invested and would earn 8% over the next 5 years, then in 5 years' time, it would be worth $12 million. So that's another way of looking at it. The next option we're looking for is what would be the implication of taking $2,250,000 a year for the next 5 years. So here, because it's an annual payment, you have to look into your annuity tables. And here, of course, you're going to have the same interest rate and the same number of periods, and the factor you're multiplying, the 2.250, is your 39, which comes right from the table. And that will give you a present value of $8,984,250. So taking the payments over 5-year period will give you a higher present value than if you wait to the end of the 5 years. And the final scenario that we're looking at here is option 3, which is to take the 10 million 3 years from now. So again, interest rate is 8% now and equals 3, not 5, because we're talking about taking the winnings in 3 years' time. Again, you're going to look up the present value table for that and multiply it by the factor 0.794, so that would be worth $7,940,000. So obviously, option 2 has the highest present value, so that is the option that the winner should choose. So that concludes 12-25.